with veggies. Fish fillet. Half lemon black pepper 1 teaspoon, ginger powder half teaspoon. Ajwain 1 teaspoon, salt as taste. Olive oil. Squeeze lemon juice on fish fillet. Now add olive oil to 2-3 tablespoons. Add all mentioned spices. Apply the same process on other side of fillet. Sprinkle paprika powder on fish fillet. Marinate it for 1 hour minimum. Now heat the pan and place the fillet on it, and cooked on medium flame. Cook from both sides and dry all water from it. Healthy juicy fish fillet are ready. Serve it with veggies of your choice.